right, Thursday morning, early, and just wanted to go over a few trades that I am in based on the levels that are posted in Discord. We are now in Discord last night. So these are the levels, and what we do is, let me quickly show you. Let's pick the euro, for example. We put these levels on our charts: buy level, sell level, midpoint, and below the midpoint we expect to move to the sell level and lower. So I'm in a few trades, I think all 7 actually at this point. This is the Nasdaq, same exact idea. Always everything is the same, absolutely the same. So this is the Nasdaq. We can take a look at gold. This is gold. Now gold was on the bullish side, right? So above the midpoint, we are looking long to the buy level. There's now a retracement. So when you're trading in multiples, I always say you do want to take something off when price hits a level. You can have a runner going, but you should take something off if you are the kind of trader who holds positions. Otherwise, if you just go for a fixed target, you make sure that this target, whatever the target might be, is achieved before the market hits a level, because retracements from a level are very, very possible. And it's not because this is a resistance area so much as it's a target area, it's a completion area, and completions have reactions. We can take a look at oil. So same exact thing in oil, below the midpoint, looking short toward the sell level and lower. By the way, that's again why I say this is not, for example, support. You don't want to buy this, but very often there are reactions from these levels. Another thing that's very common is that even after price breaks through, eventually it comes back and retests these levels. That's another very common occurrence that we see, because these numbers are important. These levels are not just random numbers. They are very important to the market, and important areas always get tested and retested. We have the S&P that touched the sell level early, and that's what I mean by there could be a reaction upon a touch of a level, but eventually you see that again coming down. So that's where I'm in this morning so far. We'll see where we are a bit later. So this is a voiceover. What you're going to see next is a live trade I took in Zoom. This was a short based on the idea that once 14,360 breaks in the Nasdaq, it's going to travel toward 270 and then 215. So I took this trade, and I was explaining why I took it in Zoom and trailing the price. So what I was saying is they reached the 280. This was the fade. I should have taken it. I'm not taking it because I think they might drive it below 270. The smart thing to do is to actually get out on a fade. I always fade my own numbers just for psychological reasons. But the thing is, it's not my first trade today. I already did well today, so I'm not concerned about leaving some stuff on the table, some money on the table. The charts are larger. This chart is what I'm using for my own trading, and I like larger charts just to give my eyes a break. So I apologize if this chart appears too big. It helps me. Again, I didn't really think I'd be sharing this. This is just for me. This is for my own trading. Overall, looking lower toward 215. That is the level underneath, and looks like we're getting there. The the S&P 71 should be getting hit. So boy, we're breaking pretty good here. So they're doing it slowly, but they're doing it. They're kind of getting lower. Just it's a slow process, and so it was 71 S&P. All right, here we go. 71 S&P. That's what I wanted to see. S&P 71. All right. So let me just fix some of my other charts. 71 was hit. Here is a reaction from the 71, which should take me out in my NASDAQ probably. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, below 71, if you remember, there was a 65. Then there was a possibility of this open break in S&P from 65 to 51. Um, uh, it's hard for me. It does appear on some charts, but it looks a bit convoluted. So let's lower this some more. We are now arriving at the destination there, so let's really lower it some more. Again, I apologize for the large print. This, again, is charts I use for myself as I'm trying to give my eyes a break, because I'm looking at so many charts. So when I trade my own charts, it's in a larger font. Might not make it look too appealing, but I thought maybe you would kind of see what is it that I do besides indicators and Autotrader and whatnot. Just in my own trading, that's how I trade. All right, so an amazing move down in the indices today, and absolutely every one of our levels that we mentioned was hit today. Incidentally, this is the sell level for the Nasdaq today. Again, price is reaching it after breaking through it, but this area continues to attract price. And there was another opportunity here for a trade, but of course, I am done. I'm not taking it. So another kind of a new feature we have is this Discord. We have a trade indication channel now, and between 8 and 9 a.m. Eastern, I kind of go over the plan in Zoom. This is a summary of the plan that I go over in detail in Zoom between 8 and 9 a.m. Eastern, and then I come back to Zoom just for real-time updates and direction and targets. So we were talking about an S&P below 84, and these are what the level we were talking about below 84, 71, 65, and 52. Take a look on your charts from today. Every single one of those was hit. In the Nasdaq, we were talking about below 360, hitting 270, 215, and 170. Take a look on your charts. Every one of those was hit today. And you can take a screenshot of these levels that I post every morning after the Zoom meeting at 8 a.m. Everything is Eastern. And you can just take a look at your own charts and see what happened in every one of these days. So I think we have something pretty special here. So as of right now, we were not able to raise the prices. That's because of Discord. Apparently, there is no way to raise prices on new subscribers without raising the prices on current subscribers as well. And I would never do that. I would never raise the monthly subscription for current members. So until we figure this out, and we will eventually figure this out, until we figure this out, the monthly subscription is still only $60 a month, which is ridiculous. It will go up to $100 a month, which is just a steal. So I think we have something pretty special here. And I'm going to continue to post videos whenever I can. Please subscribe. We now have over 600 subscribers to this channel, which I think is pretty amazing. But I'm trying to get to 1,000. So if you just happen to come across this video and you did not subscribe, please consider subscribing. Leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.